One certification can completely change your data career, but only if you pick the right one. Today, I will show you which certifications can help you move from learning to earning in 2026. If you are starting or growing your career in data analytics, data science, or business intelligence, this video will give you a complete clarity. Why certifications matter? Let's be honest, the data industry is getting crowded. Everyone is learning Python, SQL, and Power BI. So, what separates the top candidates from the rest? It is validation. Certifications are more than just a piece of paper. They prove to employers that your skills meet global standards. In fact, LinkedIn's 2024 report showed that certified data professionals earn up to 25% higher salaries than non-certified ones. Now, let us explore the certifications that actually matter in 2026, the ones that companies trust. Let us start with the one of the most beginner-friendly yet globally recognized certifications, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate available on Coursera. It is perfect for anyone just entering the data field, even if you come from a non-technical background. You will learn data cleaning and visualization, tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau, and how to analyze real-world data sets. It takes around 3 to 6 months to complete and is highly affordable. Plus, it is created by Google, which means employers trust its quality instantly. If you are just starting your career, this is the best first step. Next up is IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate, also on Coursera. Think of this as your entry into the data science world. It covers everything from Python and Pandas to data visualization, database, and basic machine learning. The program is project-based, which means you will build real portfolios as you learn. And because it is backed by IBM, it holds strong credibility globally. If you are looking for a career in data science or AI, this certification gives you both depth and brand recognition. Now, let's talk about one of the most in-demand corporate tools in 2026, the Power BI. The Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate certification focuses entirely on mastering Power BI, learning to model, visualize, and interpret data effectively for business insights. Why it matters? Almost every company today, from finance to healthcare, relies on Power BI for decision making. And Microsoft certifications remain the gold standard for analytics jobs in enterprise environments. If your goal is to work in business intelligence or corporate data roles, this certification will open doors for you. Now, we move to the cloud-based certifications where the future of data is heading. The AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty certification is designed for professionals who want to manage and analyze big data in the cloud. It teaches you how to build and secure data lakes, design analytics pipelines, and work with AWS tools like Glue, Redshift, and Athena. Cloud data analytics is the fastest growing niche in this industry, and AWS remains the market leader. If you are aiming for advanced roles or cloud-based data jobs, this certificate is a game changer. Next, Microsoft Certified Azure Data Scientist Associate. This certification focuses on designing and implementing machine learning models using Azure Machine Learning Studio. It is ideal for professionals who want to combine cloud architecture with predictive analytics. As more organizations adopt Azure, this certification will give you a competitive edge, especially in UAE and the European markets. Tableau Desktop Specialist. If you love the storytelling side of data, Tableau certifications are perfect. Tableau remains one of the world's top visualization tools used by companies like Deloitte, Airbnb, and Salesforce. These certifications validate your ability to turn complex data sets into powerful, interactive dashboards. In 2026, data visualization is among the top 5 most demanded skills for data professionals. If you are passionate about making data speak visually, start with Tableau Desktop Specialist and later advanced to Tableau Certified Data Analyst. SAS Certified Advanced Analytics Professional. SAS may not sound flashy, but it is still huge in sectors like healthcare, banking, and government. The SAS Advanced Analytics Professional certification covers predictive modeling, statistical analysis, and machine learning using SAS software. Why it is valuable? Many large-scale industries rely on SAS because of its governance and compliance strength. So, if you plan to work in structured, high-regulation industries, SAS is still a powerful choice. CompTIA Data Plus. Finally, for those starting from a non-technical background, there is CompTIA Data Plus. It is relatively new but fast-growing certification that covers analytics fundamentals including data visualization, data governance, and storytelling with data. It is ideal for professionals in marketing, operations, and business roles who want to transition into data analytics. CompTIA certifications are well known globally, making this a great entry point before moving on to a more specialized ones. The SMART certification path. Now, before you rush to enroll in multiple programs, here is something important. The biggest mistake data learners make is chasing too many certifications at once. It is not about collecting badges, it is about building skills in the right sequence. Here is a SMART progression. Start with foundational learning, Google Data Analytics or CompTIA Data Plus. Then move to specialization, Power BI or Tableau. Finally, advance to cloud or data science with AWS, Azure or IBM. This structured path helps you go from beginner to expert in 12 to 18 months without confusion or burnout. So those are the best certifications for data professionals in 2026 from entry level to advanced. Remember, the certification alone won't make you a data expert, but the skills you gain and the projects you build during your learning journey